Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to create a Trust Wallet account. So if you want to create your own Trust Wallet account, the first thing you will have to do is to download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, you need to open it. You'll then see a page looking similar to this one. Here you need to click on Create a New Wallet. You'll then need to read the privacy policy and their terms of service. If you want to read them, you can click on the arrow to the right side of Privacy Policy and Terms of Service. And once you have read them, you can check the box saying I've read and accept the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Then you need to click on Continue. On this page you will see that in the next step you will see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. You'll then need to check the box saying I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. Then you need to click on Continue. You'll then get your recovery prize. You need to write down or copy those words in the right order and save them somewhere safe. Please make sure to never ever share your recovery phrase with anyone. Once you've saved your recovery phrase, you can click on Continue. You'll then be sent over to this page, and here you need to tap on the words and put them in the correct order as last time. So by tapping on those 12 words, you need to create your recovery phrase. If at any point you mess up the order, you'll get a message saying invalid order, try again. Once you have filled in your recovery phrase, the last thing you need to do to create your own Trust Wallet account is to click on Continue. You'll then get a pop-up saying your wallet was successfully created. If you want to learn how to deposit money into your Trust Wallet account, check this video I've made on how to do that. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.